Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And a viewer or subscriber was watching my how to make a road map or a Lake Travis map or of your lake, and I just thought I'd do one, and it's relatively easy. So let's zoom in here a little bit. I've got everything broken apart. So what you want to do, and if you do this in the order, it kind of works pretty good. I'm going to take my shape tool, and let's say we want it about right there. I'm going to double click and I'm at add a node. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to break curve apart. So now these are two separate lines, and I can just move this one out of the way for a second. You don't really have to move them too far. And then take your oval and put it in your shape, and I would definitely probably put that one more in the center. Whoop, and see what happens. You got to watch. So sometimes you don't really want to zoom out when you're doing this. Now, here's a pretty good trick. Click on that oval and you'll see this X for the center of that oval. Let's put our lines in the center, and that's going to come in real handy in just a second. Now let's get our number and let's put them right in the center of that oval. Now let's put our nudge distance on 5, well, it doesn't need to be 5 inches. Let's make it 2 inches. And let's take our numbers out. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to select, we can get rid of these indexing lines. We don't need them anymore. I'm going to select the oval, hold down the shift key and select the line, go and weld, and then click back on our number and put it back down 5 inches. There you go. And I would have maybe put the road a little bit further down. But that's how you would break a curve apart and add lines to it, or add these numbers to like a road sign. Or, I mean, I'm not going to ever say you're going to make a map, but you could do it with multiple items. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.